Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today I have a double unboxing, and I'm not really sure what I have here. I think I know what I have over here. I'm not really sure what I have over here. So I will open this up here, guys. And this one was sent in by my buddy Art. Art is been a great supporter of my channel lately, and he's been, really he just really is a great guy. And he sent me a bunch of knives, a bunch of Spyderco knives to try out. I was talking to him a week or two ago about, which Spyderco should I go with, the Power 3 or the Power 2? And he's like, Rob, I'll send you a Power 3, a Power 2, and a couple other more watches. And so, yes, field notes. He told me he was going to send me this. This is awesome. So it's a little field memo book, and you could obviously take some notes when you're traveling around or whatnot. Anyway, this is really awesome. A really sweet gift. I mean, he's such a sweet guy. I don't know if he's gonna like me referring to him as sweet, but he is. He's a really awesome and very thoughtful guy. Really enjoyed having his friendship lately, and so this one is from my buddy David, and this is I know exactly what this is. This is a knife, and he's actually looking to sell this one. So I'm gonna put details of this knife below. As you guys know, I've been kind of getting into knives lately, but I still don't know anything about them. So I will take it out here. He said I could check it out, and if I could mention it that it was for sale, that I would. Again, I'll put the right now the amount that he's looking for escapes me, but I will put it in the comments below. Yes, look at this, very nice packaging. A Protech. Okay, this is like the first Protech that I've ever seen before in person. So okay, dokie. The packaging and the knives are. I've been really impressed with that. I didn't really even thought about that. That when you get a knife, it will be in any kind of special packaging. But wow, this is holy mackerel. Now I'm not really sure how to open this feller. Oh, okay. Let's see here. This is some sort of. Ah, yes. Oh, that is awesome. That is awesome. Can we do that again? Okay, I just go like that. Boom. That's fun, man. That's fun. Mrs. Legs is still not happy about this knife thing. S35VN. That's good steel. That's good steel. This is awesome. Awesome looking knife. Anyway, I'll put David is it looks like it's in pretty good shape too, man. Um, anyway, I'll put the price that David is looking for in the comments below, and if you're interested, you can reach out to me. Anyway, guys, thanks for sitting through this unboxing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.